levels. Commands to insert level symbols in plan and in section. Very easy. All level symbols are drawn on their layer. Named and levels. Plan level. Inserts level symbol in plan ready to type text. Attribute level. Inserts attribute level symbol in plan ready to type finish level above and base level at bottom. Existing plan level. Inserts existing level symbol in plan ready to type text. Update level. Update level symbol and text size, when change drawing setup, to the new scale, say 1 to 200 to 1 to 50. Base level. Pick a line to define base level value. Insert level symbol in elevation or section relative to base level. Values are inserted automatically. Section level. Insert level symbol in elevation or section. Type level value.